Welcome to Trading Lounge and the gold silver report for the Monday the 7th of June. And with GDX here, just get that into play here. It's much the same as US spot gold in terms of wave 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 here, and then going up for 3. Wave 4 that we were in last time has just dropped down somewhat. Here it can retrace 38.2% of wave 3, so just roughly getting that into play. I'll just put it there. So we're very close at 38.2 sitting here for this. So either this session or next session we'll see wave 5 push up, creating the first high above the level, and that will give us the classic trading levels pattern, the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, and then an ABC pattern here, and then further up at that point there. So that's pretty much how it's all playing out at this stage. And that will be the same with US spot gold here, where we look at wave 1 and 2 here, and 1 and 2, and the third wave all the way up here, and the fourth and the fifth wave for the third wave coming up close to the 2000. So we're on track for that. Just looking at this on the 1 hour chart here, we're looking at being long now that had been in play there. So this is where you would be long just based on that high just there for that. So I'll just leave that there. Nice if you have done that, or nice if you've beaten that, or nice if you're in, but it's looking quite impulsive, and this is also looking corrective here as well. And wave 4s can get big and ugly, so it's at the 61.8%. So if I was going to fail, then this would be an ABC pattern to here for the B wave. So we can look at that. I'll just pop that in there, so I'll just give us some reference a little bit later on. But wave 4s can get bigger and uglier, so it is possible to put that right here, right there. So we'll just see how that plays out, but otherwise we'll look for this to be wave 1 up here, and then pulling back for wave 2 here. So looking for, not sure about that, I'll have to pull that apart, but in one way or another we want, let's just say, the first high above the level, and then the ABC pattern coming into play, and then moving further up. That's in a nutshell what we'll be looking for. We can add another trade here on this high here when the time comes. Okay, so that's as simple as that, really. Now silver hasn't quite done what I expected it to do. So that is that maybe I'll have to re-plan this here, but I haven't got my 5 waves here for this, and it's probably we're not going to see this market pull back into my little 5-wave setup, 5-wave move here for that. It could do, but it's also overlapped wave 1 here now. So yeah, I'll need to give that a little bit of thought, but at the same time it doesn't really matter. So what we can do here, if you're not long already, then going along above that top there would be the right thing to do. Otherwise we can also pick up a, because that will push up here at some point, I don't know, probably something like this here. And then we can get a better trade over here with that on this side here. And this would be, if I could just borrow these for a moment, that would be wave 1 here and 2 here. And I'm thinking that this would be 1 and 2 in here, with a 3rd wave and a 4th wave and a 5th wave up there for the 3rd wave. And then that little 5th wave can go over to here. And then of course that would make wave 1 here coming back for wave 2. Why is those buttons working? There we go. So something of this nature here. So yeah, we'll have to, for the time being, put this in here for that. 250. It doesn't really finish nicely as a C wave here, so the other way that this could play out is having wave 3 over here for that, but I just don't think that's the case. Anyway, I'll give that a bit of thought. If anybody's got any ideas, let me know through email or social channels, and we'll figure that out. But look, the takeaway here is that that's the high, this is all corrective price action. We'll be heading up higher to the $30 mark. And what we're trying to look for, the first step, is really the number here, the 28. So 8 is the third strongest number. So after 5, 1, 5, and 8. So we want that as support. That would be the safe trade. Okay. I'll just let you mull that over at that point. Alrighty. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.